This beautiful plate of pasta is made of such flavorful ingredients that you won't even be able to imagine. It all started when I went to buy some prawns and I brought back the prawn heads as well from the shop. I first started by marinating the prawn heads with some turmeric powder and salt, kept it aside for a while. In the meanwhile, I started preparing my pasta. So, in a utensil, I boiled some water with salt and then cooked my pasta till they were al dente. Now, to make the pasta sauce, first started by pan frying the prawn heads, followed by adding the aromatics, the garlic and some red bell pepper, followed by some onion and chilli. Add some salt and red chilli powder or red chilli flakes according to taste. Now add in some pasta water and fresh cream and blend the sauce. In the meanwhile, you can see that the spaghetti is boiled, and we'll chop up some cherry tomatoes and basil leaves to make the pasta more flavorful. In a pan, we'll heat up some oil and butter and toss in the cherry tomatoes. Cook them for a while and then add in the basil leaves, followed by the pasta sauce paste that we have made. Now add in the boiled pasta and mix it all well together. I can promise you that this is the most flavorful pasta that you'll ever have in your life. Add in some cheese of your choice and your pasta is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Konar Cooks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.